Yo, what's good, yo? It's Kevin Davis. A little bit about me. I'm a booking agent and an entertainment consultant. I've been fortunate enough to be able to work with some of the biggest names in the entertainment industry. Um, I know what it takes to develop an artist. I know how to package them, how to get them on stage, and how to get their careers off the ground. And I'm a real dude, and I do want to hear from you. So, producers, send me your tracks. Artists, songwriters, send me your material. I want to hear what you have to offer. I hope you can handle the truth from a real perspective because with me, that's all you're going to get. I don't have to BS you around. I'm interested in doing real business. So if you can handle the truth, real blunt and direct, then get at me. I'm excited to see what you have to offer and to answer any questions that you might have. If that works for you, here I am. And yo, let's just take it from there. All right? Bueno.